Strictly a goods engine. You poor thing. It's most admirable to push yourself to such limits. Certainly won't get that from any diesel. I always long for a chance at an express run of my own. Oh, alas, my class only ever pulled coal trains and other goods. Work is work, mind you, but it'll be superb to coast along with coaches. I suppose I'll never get my chance. The mainland certainly wouldn't provide such an opportunity. Most kind of you to offer. I only hope Sir Topham Hatt will agree. I'll manage just fine, thank you. I was built for fast services. I didn't survive wartime by crawling along, you know. A little rain won't impede my work. Yes, well, given your little maneuver the other day, you're hardly qualified to preach about such speed. 2 big engines down. Now to get rid of that pesky diesel. We'll never stop in time. More steam, now! Come on, come on, come on! Speed restriction, sir? I wasn't aware of such a thing. I'm afraid not, sir. Though I'm not surprised. He's been ever so jealous since I've started taking the express. I certainly hope he wasn't planning sabotage. Crystal, sir. Such a shame. I certainly hoped you were different. A special guest, eh? Special coaches. Special coaches. Where could they be? You're not a special coach! There's meant to be a VIP train, and I'll be the one to take it. You? But how did you get out of that siding? Well, that is to say, Yes, it was all my doing. I'm still an engine in its prime. Why should I face the prospect of scrap? Oh yes, we all heard of the sanctuary that is Sir Topham Hatt's railway, a haven where steam will always have a place, and yet there still appeared to be rats among us. I've proven my worth. Surely you wouldn't send an engine to its end, sir? You can't! Perhaps this railway isn't any different after all. You call this deceit? My dear sir, it is survival. The only thing that matters in the age of scrap. Well, you've won the battle, but not the war. I'll take my leave at your request, but you will remember me.